In front of me is POCO X6 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Lastly, select this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!